We'll tell you how to convert your photograph to a PDF file. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And if you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, and share. So make sure you download this application from the Play Store, which is named as Microsoft Lens PDF Scanner. And once you've done that, go ahead and open up the application. Give all the necessary permissions to the application so it can access the gallery and other options that are required in order to get it done. So once you're in the application, go ahead and select the photo that you want to convert into the form of PDF. And once you've done that, so once you're in the application, just go ahead and select the photo that you want to convert into the form of PDF and press on the button to capture it. So once you have done that, you will see that here is the photograph that I captured. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on the done option. If you want to select between different sort of filters, you guys can do it. And if you don't, that is okay as well. So just go with the filter that you want and then simply go ahead and click on done button. And once you have done that, you will have different sort of options. For example, PDF, OneNote, OneDrive, Word, PowerPoint, or your gallery. So just rename it, whatever you want to do. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and write PDF example. So here you guys can see that I'm done with that, and all I have to do is to save this picture to get going with the PDF file, and I can use it, and it is ready to go. So this is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.